Hello, if you are wondering if you can extract audio from a video on Canva, then the answer is no. Currently there is no way to do so. If you have a video with audio, then you cannot separate it and split it. So you cannot have like a video and then audio below that. What you can do, however, is for instance turn the audio down. So if you click on this video, over here at the top you have volume, and here you can turn the volume down. If you want to, you can only turn the volume down for part of the video, and in order to do that, you can select on the timeline where you want your video to be quiet. So let's say over here from this part, I want my video, from this part onwards, I want my video to be without audio, right? So over here I will have the audio and here not. So what I can do is press S on my keyboard in order to split it, or you can click over here and then you will find split page option over here. So if you click on it, then you will of course split the video. So let's say after 9.2 seconds I want to split it. Of course this might not be a really good idea to use the dots over here, since as you can see the line is also moving, therefore it is recommended to actually use S on your keyboard instead of going over here. So we can press S, and now as you can see I have two parts of the same video. This is the first part, this is the second part, and what I can do is click on the second part like so. Now over here at the top I can click on volume, and then here I can decrease the volume. However, make sure that it is not on page. So right now I have volume of all videos on page. This is the second page. Canva treats it like a second page. If you only want to mute the video, then of course you want to click on this video. So first of all, drag the line on the second page or the second part, and then select the video. And now over here, click on the volume over here, and then you can turn it down. So right now, this part of the video has sound and this one doesn't. And this is all you can do regarding the video, the audio from the video or in the video. If you want to extract it, then unfortunately there is no way to do so. But if you want to do something about the audio of your video that you have uploaded on Canva, then at least you can change and adjust the volume like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.